Hello, Big Al here. So after a couple months of waiting, my exhaust has turned up. The Benelli Imperiale 400 from Ixil. It's an Ixil exhaust ordered from Motorstorm. So we'll see what we got. I'll tell you what, it does fit a lot lighter in this box than the one that's actually on the bike, because that's quite a big struggle. Look at this. Like some of their thing. Ixil, as you can see there, Ixil exhaust from Motorstorm. Fitting brackets. €300 in all, not too bad. Let's see what it looks like. Be careful not to touch these walls, put any things on. The link pipe there. Nice bit of stainless steel pipe there. Oh, very nice. Very nice. So this is the Ixil Iron Head custom exhaust. So this is the one I was hoping it was going to be. We had a different picture. Wrapped it very well. Yeah, I'm not touching it. Down there. So we got there the Iron Head custom exhaust, stainless steel exhaust, and the pipe there and the brackets. So come back for my next video to see what it sounds like on the bike.